Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Optum Specialty Pharmacy app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Optum Specialty Pharmacy is a prescription management app designed to help patients easily manage specialty medications prescribed for complex or chronic health conditions. It offers services like home delivery, refill tracking, shipment updates, and direct access to pharmacists for medication guidance and support. The app is available on both iOS and Android, providing users with a convenient way to manage their prescriptions anytime, anywhere. The app's main feature is its refill and delivery management system. Patients can view active prescriptions, request refills, and track orders right from the dashboard. It also includes personalized care programs, allowing users to consult with specialized pharmacists and nurses for treatment support and dosage advice. Notifications and reminders ensure medications are taken on time, helping improve adherence to treatment plans. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate Optum Specialty Pharmacy's smooth refill process, professional support team, and the ability to track deliveries in real time. It's especially helpful for patients with chronic conditions who require continuous care and direct communication with pharmacy experts. However, there are some drawbacks. Some users have reported occasional delivery delays and login issues, while others mentioned that app navigation could be improved for clarity. The app also depends on a stable internet connection, and response times from support may vary depending on region and timing. In summary, the Optum Specialty Pharmacy app may be worth using if you're managing specialty prescriptions and want an easy, reliable way to refill, track, and consult with healthcare professionals. However, if you prefer visiting a local pharmacy or require same-day medication pickup, it might not be the most convenient choice for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.